Today's world is a little bit different in the world of jig fishing for walleyes than it used to be. Before you could get by with one rod. Now I use two rods. And when I say two rods, it's because of the different weights of the rods. The first rod that you want to concentrate on is your lightweight jigging rod, 1/16, 1/8, quarter-ounce jigs. You're pitching them in the spring especially, and you get a lot of fish. This rod is a medium action rod. It's 6'8" in length. It's a Johnny Morris Signature Series rod. But what makes this rod special is that it has an extra fast tip. So that means that the tip flexes pretty easily. Will work very good for all of your light jigging. The other rod that I have is also a 6'8" medium rod, but the difference is this rod is a little bit heavier weight. So you have to check it out when you're checking these rods out. The backbone on this rod is real stiff. It allows you to get the hooks into the fish very quickly, and it's made for baits like lipless crankbaits. The Berkeley Jack's a great example. The Berkeley Finisher, which is a forward-facing style a bait, heavier jigs with big tails, but they're big baits. So you need to have a little bit stiffer rod, but it just has a fast tip. So it's not as flexible on the tip. So these are the two rods that I take with me all the time now. In fact, I normally have a bunch of them rigged with various baits on when I'm summertime fishing especially.